administration. First, I am deeply dismayed by Governor Garcia's decision to hand over crucial documents only on June 30th. This goes against the very idea of smooth transition. Unlike other LGUs, Governor Garcia has also forbidden meetings between my team and her department heads. This lack of cooperation feeds a perception that there is an ongoing effort to hinder my administration from a strong start. It's the people of Cebu province who will ultimately suffer from this delay. Second, I question the DILG province apparent inability to fulfill its primary function as an impartial facilitator. The DILG is meant to oversee local government units, yet it has allowed itself to be named vice chairman of Governor Garcia's transition team. This places the DILG directly under her authority in this critical process. The DILG must be independent and above local chief executives to ensure a fair and orderly handover. My commitment to Cebu province remains unwavering. Despite these obstacles, we will work tirelessly for a strong and progressive future. Salamat Sugbo, bantayan nato ang atong Kapitolyo kay kamo ang Sugbo. Daghang salamat.